Right now I'm going to talk about the RAM-HOL-GA30. This is the custom cradle for the Garmin nuvi 800 series. I want to start by showing you the back here. On the back here you can see a diamond plate shape with two holes. That's designed to connect to the RAM mounting system using this diamond plate or a plate like this. This plate is not included, but it's part of either a mounting system or an accessory where you can just mount to the back of this cradle, and then you can now connect it to any of the mounting systems. So important note, this is not connected, but when you're buying a mount you want to make sure that's included as part of the mount, a diamond plate. The hardware to connect this is included with the cradle, but this is not. So now I'm going to just show you how the cradle works. It's quite an interesting cradle because it utilizes the existing Garmin cradle in the cradle itself. On top here there's an easy roller, which is a wheel that spins and allows you to clip the top of the cradle in, but I'll show you that in a sec. So starting with the Garmin cradle that comes with the GPS, you can see it has a little ball connector on the back, the G ball connector. So does this RAM mount cradle. So what you need to do is first clip this cradle into that G ball connector, so it just clips in. So now you can see that this is flush in here with the existing cradle. Now to put your Garmin nuvi into the cradle, first you put the base part in, and then you just simply roll it back into the cradle. So what that does is that ease roller just rolls through and lets the GPS clip in. Removing it is a little bit different. You've got to push down on this button that you can see in the bottom, which is actually on the Garmin nuvi cradle, and click that as you pull the top and push the unit forward. Just trying to do this. There we go. So that's how you connect these two together. So again, you just put the base in first and then roll the top back, and then that clips everything into place. Secondly, you can see here all of the cables are available for use, or the ports I should say, for cable use, and all the buttons. So everything's available to you while in this cradle. I'll just show you, included with this GPS is a little plug, the cigarette lighter plug traffic receiver, and that then just clips into the side of this. Make sure I got it in the right way. There we go, so you can see that clips in there no problem. That's why this cradle does include a slot for the Garmin cradle. Now removing everything, if you want to, I'll show you that's the next step. So pull this cable out, remove this cable out of the way. Firstly you've got to take the GPS out, and that's as simple as pulling that top section out. So that's the GPS. Now to remove this inner Garmin cradle, it takes a little bit of jiggling. The reason that is because it's that little ball connector. So it's just a matter of rocking it backwards and forwards as you pull on the out, and then it does disconnect. So that's it. The RAM-HOL-GA30 cradle for the Garmin nuvi 800 series.